Shikhar, you are correct. Anupam, you are correct. There is no necessity to 16 plus 12. It is independent. Ashwini, you are correct. Amit, you are correct. Devendra, you are correct. Praveen, you are correct. Dilip, your one answer is correct. Prashant, you are correct. Lakshmi, correct. Bharat Kumar, correct. So this is the answer. Dilip, your second answer is also correct. Saji, you are correct. So we produce 160 ton and per hour production is 10 metric ton. So it is 16 standard hours. In the second case, the production is 12,000 and our 1 hour standard production is 1,000. So it is 12 standard hours. So this is measured in terms of standard hours production. Common cost, which factor you consider while allocating such common cost? Give method for cost allocation with suitable utilization. Differentiate common and joint cost. So the question is, what is common cost? Which factor you will consider to allocate this common cost, and give method of cost allocation with suitable utilization. What is the difference between joint cost and common cost? There is a question from Lakshmi, what is standard hour? Standard hour is the hour in which how many units are produced. So in the previous case, if you look at, in 1 hour, ten unit and 1,000 brass of tile is manufactured. And therefore, if you manufacture 160 unit, it means it is 16 standard hours production. So what is the difference between joint cost and common cost? Or I will say that joint cost is common cost, but common cost may or may not be joint cost. So all joint costs are always common cost, but common cost may or may not be joint cost. Earlier I had given an example that if the process is common from which the two products emerge, Prashant, you are right, common cost like accountant's cost, transportation cost, supervisor cost is common cost. Bharat, you are right, byproduct is also a common cost. Question from Anil, a common cost is fixed cost for the entire product cycle for both the product. Not necessary, the common cost may be variable cost also. Say for example, heating two product is a common cost because heating is variable with the production level. So it is not necessary that the common cost may be always fixed cost. Common cost may be either fixed cost or variable cost. There is one example. In a process, 3 joint products are produced for the month of May 2004. Following data is available. Price per kilogram AM 5 rupees, N 10 rupees and O 20 rupees. Post separation cost is given 10,000, 5,000 and 15,000. Output in kilogram is given 2,500, 1,000 and 1,500. Pre-separation cost amounted to 20,000. You have to allocate this cost 20,000 on the basis of weight, and you also find out the profit for each product. Saji, wastage is not a common cost. Wastage may only emerge or even emerge if you are manufacturing one product. Common cost only come into picture when you have to manufacture more than two products or provide two services. So wastage may or may not be a common cost. Question from Dilip. Can common cost be divided and traced for each of the product produced? The answer is yes. The process we are currently looking is the same thing. There is a common cost which we are separating for the purpose of tracing it to the product. So your question is very logical. A point from Shikhar.